But,
door chime?
Oh yeah, let's get the door chime.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and you do the honors here. That's fucking hilarious. I love the ride out. Like it's just like, yeah, just switches over like. What is up, guys? So we have John up here, and we finally have a Miata up here, and a pretty nice one at that. And we're gonna get a couple passes with this thing. But John, why don't you go ahead and kind of tell us what you got going on here?
Sure. I mean, it's pretty much mostly bone stock, except for the things that aren't. It's just a base '92 Miata 1.6 engine. It's got an ISR Performance exhaust on it with a test pipe. Then aside from that, just suspension, wheels, no engine mods besides that. I don't trust the thing not to explode. So.
we met John for the 607 Takeover recently, so that's the first I knew of you for the most part. But this thing definitely can catch eyes really quick, and there's actually a picture floating out there somewhere of Chris's clapped out next to this, and it is pretty hilarious. But all right, well, we'll go ahead and we'll get some passes on this thing, man, and we'll see how it sounds.
Sure, sure.
All right, guys, so when he gets back here, we're gonna go ahead and send him out down the road with Eric to get some just kind of regular driving. sounds pretty good. I like
Definitely the better sounding Miata.
Oh yeah.
What all else is around
Yeah, no.
See the red one going by?
I did see the red one go by. Then some like yellow like Camaro went by
like
too.
Monte Carlo.
Oh, was it what it was?
Yeah, it looked like a Monte Carlo. Had fat tires on the way rear.
I hear ya. But cool, dude. Well, thanks for coming up, make some passes. Appreciate
Of course,
it.
yeah, no, a lot of fun.
I think it sounds nice, and we'll go ahead and end that one off here. Sweet.